Secondhand, I felt a bit forgotten. Not your plan, but now the days of silence outgrow the fun things we have done. But tell me, do you wanna carry on? Plants don't grow without water, and they cave when it's cold. We could go till we're older. Put your head on my shoulder and let's enjoy the ride. When we started, our wishes aligned. We were like yin and yang combined. Now the tables have turned. Can we live and unlearn? You tell me. Plants don't grow without water, and they cave when it's cold. We could go till we're older. Put your head on my shoulder and let's enjoy the ride.
Someone said, rain is a mind-healing act. One can look at it for hours and hours. It brings such a lot of magnificent thoughts into the mind and fills it with joy and glee to make us live through life with an utter happiness. Happiness is also watching the rain from inside a warm house. Be grateful for the home you have, knowing that at this moment, all you have is all you need. Take care of our home. Take time to cherish the things that we have, and take time to be thankful for all of the experiences and memories that are expressed in our home.